Welcome to Apex Junior Olympiads Teachers Orientation Program, where educators are equipped to mentor young minds for academic excellence. Junior Olympiad Program, tailored for students from 1st to 10th grade, fostering intellectual growth and academic competitiveness. Covering maths, sciences, reasoning, and English, this program ensures comprehensive subject mastery for participating students. Each chapter starts with a quick review of key concepts, preparing students before they tackle practice sheets. Practice sheets feature multi-level questions, challenging students and enhancing their problem-solving skills. Explore the Junior Olympiad Foundation Program, designed to build a robust academic foundation for future success. Teachers receive complete keys and solutions for all practice sheets, ensuring effective guidance and support for students. For straightforward answers, we have provided direct responses. For some questions, we have given detailed explanations. You can refer the same in solution booklets. You can access all the solutions through WhatsApp groups and through our Apex app. Pre-planned exam schedules are provided for the entire academic year, ensuring organized and timely assessments. We conduct 12 exams in our academic year. In each term, we conduct around 4 exams. Test 8 exam is considered as state-level exam. From that, top 20% students will be selected to national-level exam. Test 9 exam is considered as national-level exam. The winners of this exam will be awarded with certificates, medals and prizes. All exams are OMR-based exams. After completion exams, OMR sheets to be couriered to our central office. After syllabus completion, we conduct final exam on total syllabus, which I considered as grand test. We conduct chapter-wise examinations, cumulative exams, and grand tests to evaluate students' progress comprehensively. Printed question papers and OMR sheets are sent from the Apex Central Office for all examinations, maintaining consistency and quality. Each question paper is set for 100 marks, with 50 marks allocated to maths and 50 marks to science. All questions are objective questions. All are single correct answer type questions and each one carries 2 marks. There is no negative marking. OMR scanning and correction are efficiently managed with specialized software at the central office, ensuring accurate and timely results. As correction will be done by the software, we need to take care regarding ID number bubbling on the OMR sheets. Results will be declared and will be sent to the schools within 48 hours of receiving OMR sheets. Student-wise result will be mailed to the school with subject-wise marks, class rank, national rank, student nationwide position. Parents will receive SMS notifications directly from the central office after every exam, keeping them informed about their child's test marks. SMS will be sent only after taking the approval from management. Students can watch the learning videos related to our books through our learning app. Regular online exams are conducted via a mobile app to improve students' exam performance and familiarity with test formats. Stay updated with all essential information and notifications by regularly checking your WhatsApp groups and app notifications. We are committed to providing a seamless and effective learning experience for every student, ensuring their academic success. Thank you.